So hello everyone, in this lecture we will discuss about the genetic disorder and non-Mendelian disorders. It refers to the genetic conditions that do not follow the classical Mendelian inheritance pattern, which are governed by dominant and recessive alleles. These disorders can arise from a variety of the complex genetic mechanisms and are more often intricate than the straightforward inheritance observed in Mendelian genetics. For example, mitochondrial inheritance, imprinting disorders, polygenetic inheritance and mosaicism. ठीक है, X-linked disorders. So first one is mitochondrial inheritance. Mitochondrial DNA is inherited exclusively from the mother, and the mutations in mitochondrial gene can lead to the disorder like leader hereditary optic neuropathy or condition that lead to a sudden vision loss. ठीक है, दिखता ही नहीं आंखों में, is caused by mutation in mitochondrial DNA. Fine. Next one is imprinting disorder. These disorders are caused by the loss of a function or improper expression of a specific genes depending on whether they are inherited from the mother or whether they are inherited from the parent. It is a genomic imprinting. Fine. For example, Engelmann syndrome caused by the deletion or unexpression of a gene on the maternal chromosome number 15. ठीक है. Next one is polygenic inheritance. In these inheritance, multiple gene contribute to the phenotype. पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस में क्या होता है, मल्टीपल जीन कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं किसी सिंगल करेक्टर के, किसी सिंगल फिनोटाइप के लिए. एंड इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर कैन ऑल्सो प्ले अ रोल इन पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइट, स्किन कलर, ठीक है, एंड लाइक हार्ट डिजीज और डायबिटीज ऑफ्टन फॉलो पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज mosaicism. This occur when a person has two or more genetically distinct population of cells within their body, often resulting from mutation that happen after fertilization, that is post-zygotic. For example, Muchini-Albert syndrome, which causes bone abnormalities when skin pigmentation changes हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, hormones में imbalance हो जाता है. Next one is X-linked disorder. These disorders are caused by mutations on the X chromosome and can show a non-Mendelian patterns because males have XY and female have XX, are affected differently. For example, hemophilia. ठीक है, X-linked recessive disorder. Anticipations. This refers to the phenomenon where a genetic disorder is absorbed to worsen or appear earlier in successive degeneration. For example, Huntington disease is an autosomal dominant disorder. मैंने पहले भी बताया आपको. ठीक है. Next one is uniparental disomy. This occur when both copies of a chromosome or a portion of a chromosome are inherited only from one chromosome. Uniparental disomy में क्या होता है, जब दोनों कॉपी जो क्रोमोसोम की होंगी और जो पोर्शन होगा क्रोमोसोम का वो इनहेरिटेड होगा सिर्फ एक पेरेंट के साथ, which can lead to a disorder if the genes involved are imprinted. For example, Prader-Willi syndrome and Engelmann syndrome are both both जो दोनों होते हैं ड्यू टू द क्रोमोसोम नंबर 15 पे. यूनिपेरेंटल डायसोमी यूपीडी ऑफ क्रोमोसोम नंबर 15 पे हो जाता है. दैट इज योर यूनिपेरेंटल डायसोमी. ठीक है, जब क्रोमोसोम 15 पे होगा. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस लेक्चर. सो थैंक यू एवरीवन.